say nobody can fuck panty Gaza, but you want jet then me see I go panty.
Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, me I go start that video. So, Deva Bratt, the man where people say was the original founder of Portmore Empire, fell out with Vybz Kartel over the years due to not one but two grape charges. After Kartel bailed him out the first time, he got another grape charge and was eventually dropped from the camp. Point to note, charges no mean conviction. Being charged is just police putting evidence before the court for a possible conviction outcome. So Deva Bratt drop a tune to clear his name and also diss up the Gaza boss. So we are going to get into the lyrics of the song. And for the lover of dancehall music, I want to tell me without bias, was this a lyrical assault by Deva Bratt or just some wild shots would even deserve a response from Addy?
Crucial conflict. Actually, factually, it a record, it a tape, the buckshot, pebble them bigger than a grape. No use say nobody nah fuck pan the Gaza, but Hansman brother never straight. What am I try to do? Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish and bust one in them head that make them vanish. Create carnage to damage them can't manage them never want show Deva Bratt no homage. So when them
Deva say me name me can't tarnish, me rise the rifle them with varnish and bust one in them head that make them vanish. If you ever listen to Deva Bratt before, you know him rhyming scheme complex and unique, especially when you draw out the word vanish to varnish to rhyme up back with varnish. The man I say, on know say me lyrical from long time and I may start this over Portmore. So you no need to pay respect and show me some homage. People who no respect Deva, you think Deva deserve homage?
little body, big head, quagmire. Say you want to yam the girl, them pussy like a vampire. Some fire, addy and not daddy in my fuck. I tell man fi eat the red flag. Fuck.
Hey, Deva no easy, you know. Or if you call the teacher quagmire. The man have Graves disease, but I guess lyrical battle no carry sympathy.
Like poetry, Shakura and Zebra get charged and sentence. You and Sean get charged and sentence. You return with bad mind in a vengeance and drink up the fever, then rank thing you go mention.
So in them bars, yeah, Deva basically I say, see there, Jack here get charged and convicted for grape. So oh me never get convicted, only charge. I'm not pin that title for me.
Wouldn't liquor them a drink, I must be mad suspicious. Shorty, see them a give fat puss kiss. The gun them a clap and no pram push this. The bushmaster get you can't ambush this.
Deva no easy harass. You don't know the saying, you drink mad puss piss. Well, Deva spin it and say I must mad sus piss in my drink. And Shorty, see them I give the fat puss kiss. Boy, Deva one freaky boy.
Sapil, you shoulda get 15 years more. You touch Lisa hype from 15 years old.
Well, Lisa hyper 15 or 14, but sure no say me see you and her going to the bathroom for a number of moments or a number of minutes. Yeah? And no. Reasoning did I go on in there. See? So me and you are the same thing. Me and you fit should have been in the same. Yeah? The same jail cell. Me and you should have in when it come to that.
The AR-15, it 15 years old. Me clap it, pan rapid and hit the near toll. Tarnish me name me rise the rifle them with varnish. But you send a bat. Can't fuck panty Gaza, but you want jet then me see I go panty. Wait, it a record, it a tape, the buckshot, pebble.
So people in the comment section, tell me what you think about this. Where say, was this a good song or a garbage? Remember to like, share and subscribe.